In Christ alone, my hope is found. He is my light, my strength, my song, my cornerstone, the solid ground. From through the fierce and drought and storm, what heights of love, what depths of peace, when fears are still and striving cease. My comforter, my all in all, here in the love of Christ I stand. In Christ alone, my hope is found. He is my light, my strength, my song. In Christ alone, who took on flesh, fullness of God in helpless babe, this gift of love and righteousness, scorned by the ones he came to save. Till on that crosses Jesus died, the wrath of God was satisfied, for every sin was on him laid. Here in the death of Christ I live, in Christ alone my hope is found. He is my light, my strength, my song, this cornerstone, this solid ground. From through the fierce drought and storm. मसीह में आपकी सलामती हो। आइए खुदा उनकी हम प्रस्तुति को जारी रखेंगे।